Hey guys, what's going on? Daniel or LAOC Exotics here, and today we are at Crystal Cove Cars and Coffee. Check out this Tesla behind me. I've never seen a Tesla this crazy. Look at this thing. It's got a whole bunch of aero mods on it. It's got like carbon fiber fenders, side skirt, the front lip, red vinyl on the door handles, and the red stripe all the way across the back. This thing's pretty crazy. There's Instagram right there if you want to check it out. So the show is actually over there, but we got the Ferrari squad right here. 812 Superfast, Scuderia, 570S, and then a 488 Spider. So Logan right here is just telling me that this color on this Ferrari is 1 of 5. This is pretty crazy. I haven't been to a show in probably around a year, and this is a pretty packed show. There's cars everywhere. Check this out, we got a squad right here. Pista, Trackhawk, Here we are back at my car. If you guys didn't know, I did buy myself a Honda Civic SI. It's got a few things done to it. The red Type R badge, the yellow fog lights, and then these clear little reflectors right here. Looking pretty good today. Sat right in front of a Ford GT, a Civic GT4, and a bunch of other supercars all along here. Let me know down in the comments below, would you guys rather take the naturally aspirated 458 Speciale or the turbocharged 488 Pista? Look at this thing. Beautiful. Red calipers on it too. I don't know. Probably gonna have to go with the naturally aspirated V8 right here. The Speciale. Check out that beautiful power plant. Look at that. That one's been here before. Alright, so we're in the Trackhawk right now. Got a lot of upgrades in this thing. Let's see what it can do. Chasing some Ferraris. just got back to the Civic and we noticed there's a Huracan right over there, but there's also a brand new Ford GT right here. Not brand new, sorry, 2005, 2006. Not brand new, but it's cool. Let's check it out. '06 Ford GT right here, bright red. Check this thing out. It looks gorgeous. White stripe down the middle.
Dude, I almost got him. Bruh. Oh shit, there's a 911 turbo right here. Oh my. This would be good. Oh my goodness. So we got a 911 turbo to our right, and we have a Lamborghini Aventador to our left, and we are right in the middle, and we are going to try to beat these guys off the line. Here we go. Come on, green. Oh no, I'm not in gear. No! Oh, we got smoked. We got smoked. We're beating the Lambo. See, this thing's pretty fast, huh? I almost beat the Aventador. If it was in the right gear. That Evo is out. These guys are ripping. Keep going. Lights red. Lights red.